MarineMax Seabrook. My name's Skip Pillsbury. To take you on a tour of our 2018 Grady-White 376 Canyon. This boat's powered by a triple Yamaha 300 4-strokes with the Yamaha Helm joystick control. One neat feature about this boat, notice that we've got engine flush system located here in the transom of the boat. No more having to climb over the backside to flush out the engine, makes it real nice and easy. Freshwater shower, pulls right out. Want to rinse that salt spray off for me throughout the day. Large climate controlled fish box located here in the transom. There's freezer coils that run around the outside of this, so you can refrigerate this or freeze it, fill it full of seawater, makes a real nice salt slush brine, and you're not wasting any room with ice. Get ready to fish. You've got a big seat on the backside. Just take this, drops right down. You've got a big open cockpit. This boat has a 13-foot 2-inch beam, one of the largest in the industry. It's really classifies more like a 40-foot boat. Work our way over. We've got fresh and raw water washdown located here on the port side of the boat. Easy access dive door. Whether you're climbing on and off the dock or getting in and out of the boat or bringing that big fish in, makes it real nice and easy. We've also got 2 live wells located on the back side of the leaning post. We have 2 different kinds of bait. They are insulated so they can double as coolers as well. Freshwater sink located in the center. So a real nice open bait prep area. We've got extra storage down here on the bottom side, and then we've got our tackle trays here. One neat feature that Grady-White has done, back of our tool area here, we've got a place for knives and pliers and things like that, and then we can drop down and work our baits and things, and then we've got places to hang hooks. Real nice and easy access back here. We've got room for 6 rod holders on the back side of the leaning post. We've got a couple more in the gunnels. We've got our outriggers coming off the hardtop. This is a new hardtop for 2018. Work our way over to the helm area. We do have air conditioning up on the top side of the boat. This boat does have Fisher Panda diesel generator in it, so we can run all of our systems while we're out on the water. Boost fan up here makes it real nice and comfortable. Room for 3 people across this big large bench seat here. We've got a big footprint for all of our electronics. So we can put up to 2 16-inch displays along with our autopilot radios and things like that. Yamaha digital controls as well as the joystick control. Everything's real nice and easy at the captain's hand. We've also got a bow thruster equipped on this boat. Storage for all of our safety equipment, so life jackets, things like that, some extra gear. Another roof hatch on the top. You can get some real nice ventilation running through the boat. Stereo controls located here on the port side. And we'll work our way forward. We do have wing curtains that come off the hardtop and will come down to the floor, so if you need that extra protection from the weather. Those big wide walkways as we work our way forward. Big open easy bow area, removable cushions, and a removable casting platform insert here. Located on the starboard side and the port side, we've got insulated fish boxes. One unique feature about this boat, every box on this boat drains directly overboard. As we work our way back towards the back side into the cabin area, real nice easy wide access as we drop down inside. This is where all your main distribution panel, stereo head unit, DVD player, fish box controls, and air conditioning. We've also got a TV located here behind the mirror, microwave, nice sitting area if need be. And this will also convert into a bed as well. We do have a pull-out freshwater shower head located here on the starboard side, as well as a curtain that will protect everything if you are showering on the boat. Thank you again for taking a tour of our 2018 Grady-White 376 Canyon.